Good morning, traders. So how do we trade the DAX today? So the DAX is at a pretty interesting level. We are just hovering here at the 200-day moving average, and there's 2 days in a row now that we haven't really made much traction, although we did close with an engulfing green bar. We still need to close above this 200-day moving average, okay? So we've got to break this here, and you can see how it's a pretty strong level if you look to the left. So that being said, what do we have here? So we do have a pretty strong uptrend. We broke to the downside, but we're back above the 20 moving average. So in my eyes, this trend is still moving to the upside. And you can see how the 200 EMA on the 4 hour is in the same area. So for me right now, I am currently sitting long, as I said in the comments of the video yesterday. And I was looking for an entry at 12,500, which we got, and I'm sitting long, anticipating a break of this fractional level here. Okay, now the thing that you can see here is you do have a potential, well, there's two patterns here. So the first one is there is a left shoulder, here is a big head, and here is a right shoulder. Or alternatively, you have a cup and handle. Now, the validation of this pattern, so validation of the head and shoulders is pretty much a break above here. Okay, so a break above this fractional level will give us validation of the head and shoulders, but for our cup and handle, the validation is there. We need a break and close above there. So that level is 12,632, so let's say 12,635. You need a close above there. And for this, we need a close above 12, I'm going to say 12,600. Okay, so that's kind of the level that we're looking for. If we do get a break above that today and a hold above that on the 4 hour, then I suspect you can start looking for a swing trade to the upside. And let's have a look at what kind of target we're looking for. I'll just be conservative and take this. So that's 500 points, pretty much on the nose. So from that level there, $500 takes us pretty close to the previous high here. Okay, there's a daily gap up here, there's a daily gap there, there's a daily gap there, and you'll probably find that target is going to be this inside tail. Okay, let's just work it out quick. 521, close enough. So that's probably going to be our target level. Okay, so but that we need to get through this level and this level. So we need to get through 12,600 and then 12,635. Get through those two levels, and then we can start looking at these levels here and ultimately looking for this 13,100 area. Okay. So that's my take on the DAX at the moment. As I say, I'm sitting long from the bottom here and anticipating a break of this level. If it doesn't break, then I suspect we're going to move back the downside in this area where I'd look for another long again. Okay, so for me, the trend is up, and this is a consolidation in the uptrend. Okay, although it's a messy uptrend, it's not really sticking to any moving averages or anything else like that, and it does create lower lows. You see here how we created a lower low yesterday, but ultimately on the bigger time frame, the trend is still up. There. Okay, righty. Nothing more that I can add to the DAX at the moment. I'm really looking for this 12,600 level to break. If it does break, it's going to give me more confidence for upside. If we fail to break this, then I'll more than likely look for a long back down at this level again. Okay, so if we do start turning, so if we start getting the 20 moving average crossing down to the bottom, the 5 points at the bottom, then I suspect then what we can start looking for is some downside. But there's nothing else that's really standing out to say that. It's just kind of a messy uptrend at the moment. Anyway, guys, so that's my take for today, is sitting long, anticipating a break of 12,600. And if we do get that, I'll be looking to add to my position for a swing trade right the way back up to 13,100. Okay, that's the DAX. Hope it helps, and I will catch you guys later. Enjoy the day. Cheers, man.